Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss the scalping when it comes to the crypto market. Well, for the next few seconds, let's enjoy the Atlantic Ocean and jump straight into the video. Okay, as you know, I really love the price action trading. Well, it means that I'm trying to make the supply demand zones based on the higher time frame, and then I'm trying to trade the lower time frame. The execution is always on my side on the lower time frame, right? That's the Bitcoin daily chart, and as you can see, I do have the lines based on the daily chart. All right, if I have 1 second. Okay, if I have some supply, all right, then I'm switching to the lower time frame and I'm trying to trade based on that. Well, in that case, if we are going to switch to 5-minute chart, okay, we are going to have the clear visible price action going back. Give me some time, please. Okay, we have here, here, and here. Well, that's the thing. I would like to see the price action based on the higher time frame. Then it's my decision time. Okay, here was a strong move to the downside with the price action going higher. Okay, retest of the very important trend line and going higher. On the 5-minute chart, it's very useful, right? Because you know what you want to see on the smaller time frame to try to check and trade. Checking the chart, going the long or short trade. Of course, you are not able to make to the very point, right? So my entry was a little bit higher, but I already know, or I already knew where is going to my stop be. Number 1. Well, same here, but in that case I would be stopped out. But on the other hand, the next trade over here with this upper shadow, I would be short to the downside. I would be short to the downside, right? So what I'm looking for usually is a price action. I want to see what is going on, right? Like here, like here. It might not be very well visible, but this type of the move is enough for me because I know where is my stop. Immediately I know where is my stop. So basically what we are looking for is the price action with the rejection, okay? So I'm trying to figure it out, right? Where is my entry? What's going to be my stop? Because the stop is the most important thing in that case, okay? So latest upper shadow is my stop, okay? Latest upper shadow is my stop. So immediately I know that if that's the difference, then 1, 2, 3 is going to be my stop, okay? So I'm looking for any kind of the rejection to get the point. Where is my entry? Where is my stop? What I wanna do? That's the most important thing. We have to know where is our stop. That's the most important thing. That's the crucial thing when it comes to the short-term trading, especially 1 minute or 5 minute time frame chart, okay? If I know that the market is, for example, rejecting, right, over here, so I know where is my entry, also know where is my stop, and I'm trying to go with the flow. If my risk reward ratio is on my side, what was my final target? Because that's gonna be very, very important. My final target in my case is this level. It is more than 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. That's what we have to understand in that case, okay? Any kind of the price action showing me that there is a flow related to the current market direction, that's what I'm looking for. Any upper shadow, any kind of the price action showing me rejection, that's my goal, okay? That's when I wanna join the market move. It's very, very important. So within the next few videos, we are going to discuss this type of the action. Today we have the introduction. We know from the previous videos, from the educational videos, any kind of the action showing me possibility, I'm ready to go. Why? Because my approach to the market with the risk reward ratio is telling me that, okay, it's enough if I'm going to be ready and correct 3 or 4 times of 10 movements, all right? So anyway, that's quite important. Any kind of the action you are ready to go, just do your own homework, do your own research, and you are going to be ready. Okay? We are going to discuss this further. We are going to talk more about that. But if your strategy, if you are going to make enough examples, enough tests, and you are going to be sure that this time is you are ready, this time is when you wanna make the move with proper money management in place, you are gonna be ready. So, well, that's the thing. 5-minute chart, supply demand levels based on the higher time frame, and you should be ready to go. With that being said, wish you great next trading session, and of course we are going to move and discuss this further in details. It was my pleasure to be with you. Take care, see you around, and goodbye.